Oh la 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 la, so much candy in here, ooh la 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 la. Oh, which one I'm gonna start with first? I don't know, oh la la. Oh, these two right here, they look so good. The licorice thing from Australia, and the new Now and Later Extreme Sour Soft Fruity Chewy. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. Oh, I'm gonna go with this thing. This is the American product. So let's go with the America first. Let's start. Yeah! Ooh, nice. Oh, pink. It's so hard to open, but it looks soft and chewy and sour and everything. Ooh, I'm gonna be yummy, 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 yummy party in my tummy today. Oh, look at that. Wow. Soft eating licorice. Nice. This licorice right here is from Australia. This is healthy for you. Oh my goodness. Next is truly new. Actually, it's a new also. Strolly Sour Blast. Ooh. Wow, look at these cubes. Oh, yeah. It's sour and the rest. Look at that. Wow. Juicy, fruity, and everything. So good. Oh, what else I got in here? What else? Oh, some surprise eggs. Skittles surprise. Oh, now let's open the surprise egg from Skittles. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, it's a purple egg. Yummy purple. Let's pop it. Ah, it's 3 Skittles. Okay. Next. Oh, look at that. Sour Punch Bites. Punchies. I love these punchies. They're my favorite. Oh, let's open it. Oh. Yummy punchies. Oh, look at these colors. I'm gonna take the orange, the yellow, and another one, red. All together. So yummy, so juicy, so delicious. Okay, look at that. Oh, such a nice party today. Sour jelly beans. Let's go on with the jelly beans. It's new too. By Warheads. Ooh, it's gonna be so sour, so yummy. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, it's so hard to open. Look at all these new candies tonight. Oh, can't open it. Oh, got it. Oh, yay. Oh, let me taste the pink one. Oh, look at that. Pinkish. Nice. Oh, it's so sour. Let's go on the Skittles here. Look at that. Oh, such a mess now. Nice. Look at these. Next one. What is this? Yeah, what is this? What is that? What is these sickless chocolatey candies? Nice. Look at these. Oh, sickless. Look at these candies. Oh, they look good. Oh, let's open them. Oh. Okay, let's try one. A couple. Let's try one or a couple. Oh, just one. Oh, can't get it. Okay, that one, the yellow. Ooh, so good. Ooh la la, so good. Oh, let's continue. So many surprises. Oh, some Skittles. Another surprise of Skittles. Oh, yummy to my tummy. What else was next? Whoa, next is the Sour Punch Bites. Oh, yummy, a lot of candy. Oh, another Sour Punch Bite. Oh, look at these Sour Punch Bites. The blue one. Oh, let's go on with the fruit slices. Oh, yum. Oh la la. Green one is so yummy. Big Skittles bag. Whoa, yum. so many candies in here. Yummy, delicious. Oh, so yummy, such a yummy episode. Whoa, a lot of candy. Oh. Woo. So good. It's a big mountain of candy now. Look at this mountain. Wow. I want some more licorice. So delicious. I want some lollipops. Oh, I see it. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, lollipops are here too. So good, so good, so good. Oh, yellow lollipop. What else is there? Oh, I see some more coming. Look at these. This is a new candies too. New M&Ms. New corn. I love candies. I love candies. Orange one. I love candies. What else I'm gonna get? Oh, I see another one coming. Oh, carry the pillows. Yummy. Oh, showtime. Oh, another one is coming. Oh my goodness. This is the sourest Scooby-Doo. Oh, Scooby-Doo, how I'm gonna get to you, baby. I'm gonna get there from you like this. Oh, so many candies. Sour candies. Oh, let's open the chewy juice candy. Sour. Yummy to my tummy. More M&Ms. More M&Ms. Oh, these M&Ms look yummy. Tic Tac. Oh. Oh, a lot of Tic Tac. Look good. That looks good. Oh, Scooby, you look so good. Here's some Tic Tac on your face. Oh, it's a lot of candy in here. Oh. What else? Oh, what is that? Oh, Pop Rocks. Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh, another one is coming. What is that? Oh, the Sour Extreme Bites. Oh, I hate somebody else. The Hairhead Soft Fields. Oh, the blue one is so juicy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oh, I see somebody else. Look at that. Oh, some candies in there. Oh, these candies. Get out. Oh, I got you. Oh, Marvel candies. There's another one, another one again. And more. It's Mentos now. Oh, some Mentos. They look so juicy. Wow. Oh, juicy fruits. Juicy fruits. Fruity chews. Fruity chews. Ooh, some fruity chews. Some blasts. Some Mentos. The white Mentos. Wow, look at this mess. This is yummy. mountain of candies. Oh, wait until you see this one. Oh, the Mike and Ike big box. Oh, look at that. Oh, Disney Cars candy. Oh, Disney Cars, yummy. Oh, let's open that too. Oh, yummy. Oh, Tootsie Roll. It's not Tootsie Rolls, it was a mix of different others. And now, the ultimate one. Woo! The block candies. Delicious. Oh, check this one out, the sour cubes. The big Smarties. Yummy, huge Smarties pills. Look like tablets. It's like powder. More M&Ms. More M&Ms. Mini Starbursts. Yum, let's try the pink one. Oh, so chewy. Let's try the lollipop. Heart lollipop. Oh, more fruit chews and more Tic Tacs. Oh, yes. Oh, I've been waiting for these. Oh, let's open them. Okay. Oh, let's open it, Ted. Yeah, right here. Right here. Woo! Ooh, some more. Yeah! Let's mix it. Oh, some dip candies. Some fun dips. Oh, mix it. Mix it. Twist it. Mix it all in. Mix it. Mix it more. Some mix. Oh, some Mentos, some chocolate Mentos. Oh, make a mix of chocolate. Oh, this is going to taste so good. It's like a cake. Oh, it's like a cake with chocolate. Some chocolate Mentos. Yummy. Oh, more Tic Tacs. Surprise egg. Oh, what's inside? Oh, let's find out. Oh, look at that. Nice little princess. Okay, what else? Oh, some flyers. A flower. Wow, and a sticker flyer. Nice princess. Nice. Oh, let's try some sticks. Okay, let's open them. Oh, make some powder. Like that. It looks so yummy. It looks good. A lot of powder. Much powder. More powder. Make a lot of powder. Yeah, a lot of powder. Yummy powder. A lot of powder. Mix it. Yes, like that. A lot of powder. A lot of powder. La la li la la la. 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 It's like salt. The recipe needs some salt. Ooh, look. More salt. Just a little bit dry. It needs some salt. Okay, need some more salt. Okay. Need some more salt. This is sugar, actually. More sugar. The cake is not sweet. All right. Let's put some more. A lot. Let's color it. Ooh, looks white now. Oh, the candy looks white. Okay, one more, and that's it. So good looking now. Oh, like that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, the candy looks good. Let's add some marshmallow sticks to the recipe. Yes, like that's gonna make it gonna be even more good, more good. Oh, I can open this one. Okay, let me find out. From right here. Okay, got it. Okay, let's put it like this. Oh, it's like a bridge. Like a bridge. A lot of candies like this. More candy. Yeah, another one. It needs another one. Nice. Nice, another one. One more. One more to go. Okay. Oh, okay, you like that candy, don't you? I like it too. So good looking. Oh, okay, like this. Now the cock can go underneath. Backwards. Thank you for watching. Watch it again, okay? And again, and again, and again. Bye.